and very good morning. I'm coming at you from a very messy dressing room. Anyone else really struggle to... I don't know how YouTubers who have a pristine house all the time do it. I'm gonna hold my hands up. It's impossible. I swear as soon as I clean it gets messy again. So yeah, there's crap all in the background. Anyway, I am off out today. I am just gonna meet Georgia. We're gonna have laptop club somewhere, get some dinner out. I've got a campaign to shoot which we're just gonna do on the way. So pretty chilled day today, and I thought I'd show you my outfit. It's raining, so I thought I'd my ears really stick out in these hats. I really feel like my ears make me look like a pixie. I don't know why. I got my ears pierced. My ear piercing is doing very well actually. There's the famous fan. From the reels, you know. Oh, I do make myself laugh. You gotta laugh at yourself. I just love... Do you sometimes wonder what the fuck you're doing with your life? Anyway, I don't know why that made me giggle so much. Anyway, I'm gonna show you my outfit because I've got some newbie stuff on today which I really love. Okay, this is a little blue crop jacket from Zara. It is old though, guys. Just got my newfound love of baseball hat. Some slit trousers from Naked Fashion. I love the sizing in Naked Fashion. Their stuff just fits me so well. I have my YSL bag and some chunky trainers from Calvin Klein via Tessuti. So yeah, this is just the casual look we're going for today. Makeup wise on the face, I've actually got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush foundation on again. My number one. It takes a lot for me to put a foundation into my everyday makeup routine. Really love it. I am going to go for Penhaligon's Health Fetty fragrance today. It's so funny. Every time I wear this, Georgia loves it. I can't smell it. I can't bloody taste and smell. I cannot smell this whatsoever, but apparently it's lovely. So I'm going to put it on for Georgia. I'm just putting you up here because it's where the good lighting is. What about looking wrinkle-free on the internet these days? Look, it's not great. I'm just with Georgia. We're at the Hoxton. I feel like every time we switch the camera on, we're eating chips of some sort.
Or anything we do.
It's really cute. Look. I like these cushions over here.
I like mine.
Put you back up there. We are just laptop clubbing. It's our little thing. Very excited that Georgia is not working anymore. I get my wifey for life here. I can't, literally, I don't know what I'd do if you went back to work. But yeah, it's so miserable in London today. Like, it is raining like crazy. It feels like winter. We have eaten, we have worked, we have conquered. Just shocked.
I feel like it took me 2 hours. Bloody hell, I look like I've had a night out.
Wait, do this, it's better lighted.
I feel like it took me about 3 hours to edit one video because we were chatting.
Yeah. When we do this, we need to probably be better at concentrating.
We should, yeah, we'll have a little
Me, I talk about absolute shit.
The thing is, Laura's got a habit of repeating herself, so she'll talk at me and I clock off because I've already heard the story.
Do I? I didn't even know I do that.
I'm like, yeah, that's fun.
Because I have the same conversations with you and Abby and I forget who I've told what to. It gets very confusing. So I have just got in. It was absolutely chucking it down in true English fashion, hence my hair looks a bit wet, but I have some gorgeous pieces to show you. This is a part collaboration with a brand called Lily Silk. I have collabed with Lily Silk since the start of my YouTube channel, and they are renowned for their silk pillowcases, which are great for your skin, your hair. There's lots of health benefits and beauty benefits for silk pillowcases. So Lily Silk is a certified silk brand and they have branched out into fashion. So I'm gonna do what I do best and try on some pieces from their collection and show you what's available. So I have picked out some pieces and it is so gorgeous. Very designer-esque. So let me share with you. So this is going to be really hard to see because it's white, but this is a beautiful blouse. You can see the detailing here. It's got gorgeous lace around the neck and then these beautiful pearls, and obviously it is a silk blouse, and then you get this little bow as well that comes with it. You can either tie it around your neck, tie it around the waist. I thought this would be fab with like gorgeous suit trousers, or even a pair of like cream shorts for a really summery vibe. Okay, next is was such a find. This reminds me of a Balmain blazer. These buttons, if you can see, look how beautiful that button detailing is. So I've had a sneaky try on of this already, and the fit is beautiful. Like the structure, the fit, I think it's one of those blazers that's such a classic. Will be in your wardrobe for a very long time. And also picked up a little cami to go underneath stuff. Like things like this are so handy to go underneath cardigans, underneath blazers. And I think that the silk is such a lovely fabric on your skin. So let's have a little try on of these. Okay, so this is the blazer on. It looks like a Balmain blazer. So this is definitely, I love the way this is like a V as well. Like the structure is beautiful. I think a blazer like this is so handy. Like a black blazer with gold buttons is honestly such a classic to have in your wardrobe. It's definitely something that you will have for a lifetime. I've just paired it with some split trouser leggings, my Prada bag, some Dior sunglasses, and this is a very simple but very classic look. Now I'm gonna put the lace blouse on underneath it and see what we can see how it looks. Okay, so this is the blouse on, just nothing done. I've just thought I'd show you it before I styled it up so you could see the details. So this is how it falls, a beautiful fit. I'll put the sizes in the description box. This beautiful lace detailing will be so gorgeous poking out of blazers, jumpers. So not only is it a fab piece on its own, but such a gorgeous layering piece. Now I'm gonna style it up a little bit. So I've just popped the tie around the waist so you can see how it pinches it in. So that creates a really gorgeous silhouette, very high-end looking. And I am just gonna pop it around the neck for a little bit of a different vibe, but this is definitely, I like a cinched in waist. You guys know this. Another way to wear it would be to have it open like this. Very relaxed, I've just tucked it in. This with a pair of jeans would look fab for like a relaxed kind of smart look. I just cannot get over how beautiful and classic this blouse is. Then you could tie it in a knot at the top. This reminds me of like a very Chanel kind of vibe. You wanted a very classic kind of fit. Okay, so this is the blouse underneath the blazer. I love the lace detailing poking out. I don't think I've seen like lace detailing on cuffs and collars before. It's a really beautiful kind of vibe. Just tucked the shirt into my trousers. This would be a great take on a black and white shirt for like if you had workwear or you needed like a really sleek look. This blouse underneath the blazer is definitely like just something different to do with a black and white suit. This for workwear would look amazing. Just all the gold button detailing as well, just popping. This look is everything. I love it. So I've just popped the camisole on underneath it, tucked it in, but sleeves up, collar up, more relaxed. This is definitely like a more not casual, but it's definitely more laid back than the blouse. This is great. This is just something simple to pop on underneath. The cami isn't see-through. It also has adjustable straps so you can suit it to fit your body, and they're just really great basics. It's a really nice v-neck shape as well. So yeah, just that underneath the blazer looks fab. So I'll leave everything linked in the description box below to shop, along with the sizing, and yeah, go check out the brand for anything silk related, because they have so much stuff from silk pajamas to silk hair ties. I love silk hair ties. They really save your hair snagging. So anything silk related, go check them out. I'll leave it in the description box below. So I have my new in goodies, so every time I get parcels through, I'm just gonna put aside things that I want to try and leave them on my desk so I can try with you guys. So there's a couple of things. It is the England match today. I am being patriotic and going to watch it, but yeah, I'm just gonna put a little face on. So there's the Claire de Peau foundation I want to try out, and then NARS have sent this beautiful, is it NARS? NARS Orgasm. This beautiful kind of orangey palette. So I am quite spotty today, so please do ignore the spots. Okay, eyeshadow done. I just went for, I didn't go that orange, but we used these three. This is a gorgeous color, really, really beautiful. I put that like on the inside of the eyes. It's like a glittery champagne color, so beautiful. I can't believe that's been in my drawer for ages and I've not used it. I need to stop doing that. So this is a new era. Okay, so the foundation, the Moment of Truth. It actually came with a beauty blender, but for foundation, I'm more of a brush. I just tried a little bit and it looks like so lightweight, as if you've not even got anything on, but like really covers a lot. Let me just talk about the spot by my nose. Every time I get a spot, I'm like, don't squeeze it, don't squeeze it, don't squeeze it. Oh, just squeeze it. It's not good, is it? Props to the brands that send me these foundations, because they always get the colour so spot on. My skin really isn't great at the moment, so I'll be impressed if this feels nice. Okay, so far, really enjoying the texture of this foundation, and on the skin it looks like real skin. Real skin. But you know what I mean, it doesn't look like you've got foundation on. It's a really beautiful finish. It's like matte but also shiny at the same time. I don't know how it's done it. I'm just gonna put some powder on like my nose area, the Charlotte Tilbury. I like shine on the cheeks, but we don't like shine on the T-zone, so I just try and like not go in this area, because that's like a really lovely sheen. That feels so lightweight and beautiful. Okay, currently look really weird because I've just got lip liner on, but Giorgio Armani sent me a couple of colours from their new lipstick, so although it's very patriotic, I don't think we're going to go for it tonight. There's a couple of nudie ones. They look really weird, don't they? Ooh, look at these. In good old Laura fashion, I'm going to go for the peachy one. Oh, this is shiny. Okay, really like that lip colour. It's beautiful. Right, I'm going to finish off the eyes. Final look complete, just putting some more lipstick on. Off to watch the football. If you listen to London right now, people have been partying. I'm not joking. It seems for about 3 days. Like, you can just, the streets were insane at the semi-final. Like, the road outside, you could not get cars through. The traffic had stopped. Everyone was on the street. So I'm going just for the alcohol and the party. But I'm going to show you my outfit, really basic. So just a really basic black, this has been in a haul, you've probably seen it. Black tube top, my slouchy jacket. This outfit is from H&M, Prada trainers. I'm just going to take my Prada bag as well. I feel very sporty. It's very unlike me, but I'm in the zone to watch football. And fragrance of choice this evening, we're going to go for Interdit. Je really probably butchered that. Again, really can't smell these because of obviously no taste, no smell. But I'm going to wear it for Abby.